There's the entrance to SeaWorld.
I wonder if it's going to be crowded today.
What are we going to do in here?
Because he can't ride a lot of these rides, he's too short, we'll probably just hang out in Sesame Street Land.
Mm-hmm.
And they have a splash pad, so I figure if he gets hot, we'll do that. I have a change of clothes for him. And that's pretty much it. We'll just hang here as long as we can, and if we get done like well before our 4 o'clock check-in at Windsor Hills, we may head over to Disney Springs at that point, maybe eat at Earl Of Sandwich.
Yeah, Earl Of Sandwich sounds good.
Sandwich, yeah.
Yeah, we got to get that pastrami.
I want to try the pastrami, and then maybe I'll check out the Gideon's line.
So we're here at SeaWorld. Grayson being 40 inches, we're going to see what we can get into in here. So this park is super confusing. Even looking at a map, it's kind of hard to orient yourself to it. So a really good thing to do is look for these markers to tell you where to go. That's what I follow, and it helps me get where I need to go.
So most of the rides here are for 48 inches and over, and Grayson is nowhere near that. I'm really glad that we did not pay for admission because, in my opinion, it would not be worth it. Sesame Street Land is neat. There's a few little rides over there and then that little splash ground, but I don't think it justifies the ticket price, which I think regularly is close to, I think $80 or $90.
Wow.
That's a lot, I think.
That's steep for this, man.
So we rode most of the rides here when we came with Ryan, and they were fun, so it would be worth it if you could do those larger rides. But just for the Sesame Street Playland, I would say no, I wouldn't do it.
Yeah. Been done Journey to Atlantis because we don't want to get soaked.
But it looks like a lot of fun.
That looks like it would be really cool. So if you make it here, there's a sign to Sesame Street Land. It's the only one I've seen. All right, so as we're making our way to Sesame Street Land, we're walking by the Mako. This one is a lot like the Diamondback at Kings Island. Got some flamingo paddle boats out there. It's beautiful. Now, if I was judging by the parking lot, I think this place wouldn't be so crowded. It's actually pretty packed. We're just walking at this trudging pace. So we made it. There's Sesame Street Land. Oh, this thing's falling. It's pretty fast for a carousel. Looks like we're meeting Grover today. No, Grover had to leave, so it looks like we're meeting Cookie Monster today.
Say thank you so much.
Thank you. And that's where you purchase your pictures. And of course, exit to the gift shop. Let's know, right? So while they're finishing shopping, go through the gift shop and show you what there is here. Got some grouches. Stuffed animals. Shirts. $64.99. Wow. Price it. Baby shirt. And that's how it usually ends. Spending a lot of money. So Grayson's about to get on the boxcar derby. Looks like you have to be at least 38 inches tall.
Grayson are gonna ride.
Well, the ride requirement is 42 inches. There is no way. He's cheating. That's for the cookie drop. Probably not gonna get to ride that one today. This place has spray grounds, a playground, little kid rides. Covered a little bit. Help break up that sun, that hot Florida sun. It's nice.
Actually, he got pretty good sitting there.
Good idea, Big Bird. You guys want to help me, Big Bird?
We've got to get over here to see Big Bird.
Yeah? All right, then let's begin. I love you just like this.
Come on.
Elmo and his mommy were talking late one night, snuggled up together, cozy, warm, and tight. I love you, Mommy, Elmo whispered in her ear. Elmo's mommy smiled.
Gotta stay hydrated. Hey, what's going on, guys? Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yeah. Come on, man. Yeah. What are you guys doing? What are your plans for the day? I think we're trying to ring somebody up here. What's in there, man? What do you see? What's in there? So he's gonna ride Elmo's choo-choo train. It's got to be 36 inches tall to ride. I was gonna try to get on this ride with them and get some ride footage on there, but somebody else had a really hard time fitting on there. It was another dad, so I definitely wouldn't have been able to fit on this ride. So just something to consider if you're a parent wanting to ride along. Here they come. Cute little train ride. He looks bored. Okay, so let's be real. Well, they're taking a second lap, but it took a really long time for them to board that thing. It's a long wait for a little ride. It's for really small children. That little misting fan was $22. Things you'll do for your wife and kids, you know? Sitting here baking while they're over there playing in the water fountain. Yeah, they're having a real good time while I watch in the heat. It's worth it. see that?
What's his name?
I don't know what his name is.
It's your dog.
Oh, that's a good one.
Well, folks, I'd say that's going to do it for our day at Sesame Street Land and SeaWorld of Orlando. We got Grayson on the Grover's Soapbox Derby ride. It's a little roller coaster. Got him on that little train. We actually managed to get him into the spray ground, so we got him wrestled into his bathing suit and over there so he can cool off a little bit. Well, now we're going to head over to Disney Springs. We're going to try to get into Gideon's, get a cookie, get some coffee, and try to get something to eat. All right, we finally made it here to Disney Springs. We're going to get to the Earl Of Sandwich to get that pastrami sandwich. We've got a mobile order guide.
Yep, I put that in so that way it should be ready when we get there. And Grayson really wants an ice cream, so I'm going to have to find something that's not going to melt and make a huge mess. So I'm going to have to find an alternative, and just to kill some time, I'll just walk around, maybe check out the M&M store and Lego store. If there's not a big long line.
If you're coming here to Disney Springs, you park in any of the garages, especially the orange parking garage. I recommend parking on level 2. That is where the security entrance is. Everybody's got to go through it. And then you have to take the elevator if you have strollers, or you can take the escalator. It's the quickest way to get in and out of here. Otherwise, you're going to have to take elevators inside that parking garage and escalators. So parking on level 2 is where it's at.
Really is.
Yep.
Let's go do this.
All right. Right there is a Coca-Cola store. I'd like to get up there on the top deck and see what that's all about. It's a beautiful, like, outdoor mall. You can see that little balloon lift over there. There's the AMC theaters. What is that? STK Steakhouse? Just behind that, there's Gideon's. Everybody's looking for that. That's what I love about this place. The pretty scenery. You got ducks out there. So the pastrami sandwich at Earl Of Sandwich, it's not too bad. How much does this cost?
$27. But that was 2 sandwiches, a side of potato salad, and then we just got 1 fountain beverage. So not bad.
Yeah, it's all right.
Great.
Got a dragon made of Legos. Hi, Ethan. Rainforest Cafe right across the way. They're doing flame shooting out of that. Lego store, Lego Mickey. This place is really crowded today. It's Sunday. Let's try to get in that line for Gideon's again.
So while Lenny is in line at Gideon's, I'm going to take Grayson over to Goofy's Candy Company. The line's only 20 minutes, but you know that's forever when it comes to a toddler.
Just about ready to go inside here at Gideon's. 21-minute wait's not bad. I'm gonna get in there and get Sheila her banana bread cookie, the banana cold brew, and then the what else did she want? Pistachio cookie. I'm gonna grab that. All right, finally inside after a short 20-minute wait for a Sunday. That's not too shabby. Very interesting decor in here. Guess I'm after the banana walnut chocolate chip and the pistachio toffee. Cakes. That is diabetes. God, I bet those taste good. This place is awesome. So just got my stuff from Gideon's. Got the 2 cookies. Got this crazy bag. I got this banana coffee. It never disappoints. It's really good. Man, that tastes awesome. And I'm really picky about my iced coffee.
There you go. You can eat it with a spoon and lemon.
So Grayson had to stop somewhere and get something. What did he get?
So it's Swirls on the Water. It sells DOLE. He got the strawberry and French vanilla, or no, it's strawberry and coconut. It was
Strawberry and
$6.
coconut?
It
That
was
looks delicious.
$6.25. So yeah, he wanted an ice cream, and this was the best option.
Yeah, well, you get what you get and you don't throw a fit, right?
We try not to.
What do you think, dude? Is it good?
Try a bite.
What? Well, that's his first review. So he's loving the cone there. That's just what he wanted. You like that Dole Whip. And I already talked about the coffee. That was delicious. We're right outside the Rainforest Cafe. She got the ice cream or the Dole Whip right there at that stand. How much was that again?
$6.25.
$6.25 for him just to eat the cone.
When he's eating the ice cream, he just makes a funny face every time.
Yeah?
I don't know why.
It's
cute.
funny. Oh well. All right, so that was our day at Disney Springs. We got into Gideon's. It was a short wait. It wasn't bad for a Sunday. 20 minutes.
Not bad.
Yeah, we got the banana cold brew, which is awesome. They tried to give me the small. I ordered the large. I said, please don't mess with me. Give me the large. I'm only here once. I need that. I know how good that
We only
banana
got
thing
because
is.
I want to try the coffee cake cookie, but that's the only coffee from Gideon's anyway.
Unfortunately, yes. We got it.
We stopped by Goofy's Candy Company. I just wanted to see what was in there just to kill time when we were at Gideon's. He ended up getting a $5 lollipop, which is going to take one lick of and throw away, but that's fine.
My goodness.
Yeah, and then
Didn't
we
know
stopped
that.
at the new Swirls on the Water and got some strawberry coconut Dole Whip, which Grayson just ate the cone, but we put the ice cream in a cup and we ate that. It was really good. And now we're going to go check into our condo. I'm excited.
Yes, hopefully I can work off all this stuff that I've consumed
We
here.
got to carry up all my stuff. We got to swim. We got to go get our pickup order at Walmart. So
Yeah, lots to do, and now we're going to go check into the condo and see what awaits us there.